Autoimmune diseases are among the most misunderstood and overlooked medical conditions today. They develop slowly, attack silently, and often disguise themselves as common, everyday issues. Many people live with symptoms for years without realizing their immune system is attacking their own cells, tissues, and organs. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows that autoimmune diseases can take 5 to 10 years to diagnose, and during this time, silent inflammation can cause irreversible damage. Recognizing the earliest signs is critical for prevention, diagnosis, and timely intervention. 1. Persistent, unexplained fatigue. Fatigue in autoimmune disease is far more severe than ordinary tiredness. It is described as a deep, heavy exhaustion that feels like the body is running on zero power. This occurs because the immune system releases inflammatory cytokines such as IL-6, TNF-alpha, and interferon gamma. These chemicals interfere with the mitochondria, which are responsible for producing cellular energy. As mitochondria lose efficiency, the body enters a state of metabolic shutdown. Additionally, chronic inflammation disrupts sleep patterns, hormonal balance, and nutrient absorption, contributing further to exhaustion. This level of fatigue is common in lupus, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and autoimmune thyroid diseases. People experience tiredness even after full rest, and physical or mental tasks feel disproportionately difficult. Persistent fatigue without lifestyle should always raise concern for autoimmune involvement. 2. Morning joint stiffness and chronic joint pain. Joint stiffness that lasts more than 30 minutes after waking is a red flag for autoimmune inflammation. Unlike osteoarthritis, which improves with rest, autoimmune joint pain is worst after inactivity. This happens because the immune system infiltrates the synovial membrane, causing it to swell and thicken. Over time, inflammatory cells release enzymes that gradually destroy cartilage, leading to pain, stiffness, warmth, and reduced mobility. Cytokines such as IL-17 and IL-23 play a major role in this destructive process. Patients may notice difficulty in closing their hands, bending their knees, or moving their shoulders when they wake up. Rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, and ankylosing spondylitis often begin with this exact symptom. Early detection is crucial because joint damage can begin long before the person realizes something is wrong. 3. Recurrent low-grade fevers without infection. Autoimmune fevers tend to be mild and intermittent, which is why they often go unnoticed. The immune system, in a state of chronic activation, releases pyrogens, chemicals that stimulate the hypothalamus to raise body temperature. This happens even when there is no infection. These fevers often appear at the same time each day, usually in the afternoon or evening, and may be accompanied by fatigue, headaches, swollen lymph nodes, or muscle pain. Unlike infections, autoimmune fevers may not respond to typical fever medications and can persist for weeks or months. They commonly appear in lupus, vasculitis, Still's disease, inflammatory bowel disease, and mixed connective tissue disease. Repeated episodes of feeling feverish without an identifiable cause should never be ignored. 4. Sudden or rapid hair loss. Hair loss in autoimmune disease is abrupt, noticeable, and often distressing. The immune system mistakes proteins in the hair follicles as foreign invaders and mounts an attack, causing rapid shedding. In alopecia areata, hair falls out in round patches. In thyroid autoimmune disease, hair may thin diffusely across the scalp. Lupus-related hair loss often comes with scalp tenderness or redness. Autoimmune hair loss also disrupts the hair growth cycle, pushing follicles into early resting phase, which leads to excessive shedding during washing or brushing. Because hair follicles are sensitive to hormonal and immune changes, hair loss may be one of the earliest visible signs of internal autoimmune activity. 5. Chronic digestive problems and new food sensitivities. The gut is home to a vast network of immune cells, making it one of the first places autoimmune disease manifests. Autoimmune inflammation damages the intestinal lining, causing microscopic gaps, known as increased intestinal permeability or leaky gut. As the protective barrier weakens, food particles and toxins leak into the bloodstream, triggering further immune reactions. Individuals may experience chronic bloating, abdominal pain, gas, constipation, diarrhea, acid reflux, or nausea. They may also develop sudden sensitivity to gluten, dairy, eggs, or other foods they previously tolerated well. Autoimmune conditions such as celiac disease, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, autoimmune gastritis, and Hashimoto's thyroiditis all involve early digestive disturbances. Many people spend years treating symptoms without realizing the immune system is the root cause. 6. Tingling, numbness, or burning sensations. Neuropathic symptoms are a significant but often overlooked sign of autoimmune activity. Tingling, numbness, or burning sensations occur when the immune system attacks the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Without proper insulation, nerve signals slow down or misfire, producing unusual sensations. These symptoms may appear in the hands, feet, arms, legs, or face. Some individuals also experience electric shock sensations when bending their neck, known as Lermite's sign, which is associated with multiple sclerosis. In addition, lupus, Sjogren's syndrome, celiac disease, and autoimmune neuropathies can damage sensory nerves slowly and subtly. Early nerve involvement should always be taken seriously because nerve tissue does not regenerate easily. 7. Sudden weight gain or unexplained weight loss. Autoimmune diseases affecting endocrine glands can dramatically alter body weight. In Hashimoto's thyroiditis, the immune system destroys thyroid tissue, slowing metabolism and causing weight gain, bloating, fluid retention, cold intolerance, and fatigue. Conversely, Graves' disease causes hyperthyroidism, which speeds up metabolism and leads to rapid weight loss, increased appetite, rapid heartbeat, and heat intolerance. Type 1 diabetes causes weight loss because the immune system attacks insulin-producing cells, preventing proper glucose absorption. Autoimmune adrenal disorders such as Addison's disease cause weight loss, weakness, and electrolyte imbalance. Significant weight shifts without lifestyle explanations strongly suggest hormonal autoimmunity. 8. Skin rashes, redness, or persistent skin problems. The skin is the most visible reflection of internal immune activity. Autoimmune diseases frequently produce persistent, recurring, or unusual rashes. Lupus causes a distinctive butterfly-shaped rash across the cheeks and nose. Psoriasis produces thick, scaly patches that may itch or crack. Scleroderma tightens and hardens the skin, making it appear shiny or stretched. Vitiligo leads to loss of pigment in certain areas. Dermatomyositis causes a purple-red rash around the eyes or knuckles. These changes happen because immune cells mistakenly target skin cells and blood vessels, causing inflammation and tissue damage. Persistent skin issues that do not respond to standard treatment should be evaluated for possible autoimmune causes. 9. Cognitive dysfunction, brain fog, and memory issues. Brain fog is one of the most misunderstood symptoms of autoimmune disease. It is not simple forgetfulness. It is a measurable cognitive impairment caused by inflammation affecting the brain. Immune cytokines can cross the blood-brain barrier, altering neurotransmitter balance and interfering with brain signaling. Individuals may feel mentally slow, unable to concentrate, or unable to recall words or information easily. Tasks that once felt simple, such as reading a paragraph, solving a problem, or holding a conversation, may become challenging. This is common in lupus, multiple sclerosis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, rheumatoid arthritis, and celiac disease. Because brain fog affects quality of life, work productivity, and emotional well-being, early recognition is vital. 10. Frequent infections and slow wound healing. The immune system in autoimmune disorders becomes misdirected. While it aggressively attacks the body's own tissues, it becomes inefficient at fighting real threats. This leads to repeated infections such as sinus infections, urinary tract infections, throat infections, or yeast overgrowth. Minor cuts and bruises may take longer to heal due to chronic inflammation interrupting the normal repair process. Additionally, antibody production becomes irregular, leaving the body vulnerable. When infections recur frequently without clear cause, or wounds heal unusually slowly, it is an indicator that the immune system is not functioning as it should. 11. Muscle weakness and unexplained muscle pain. Muscle-related autoimmune diseases, such as polymyositis and dermatomyositis, cause progressive muscle weakness. This weakness typically begins in the thighs, hips, shoulders, or upper arms, making it difficult to climb stairs, lift objects, or rise from a seated position. The immune system attacks muscle fibers, causing inflammation and gradual muscle breakdown. Muscle pain may accompany the weakness or occur independently in diseases such as lupus or autoimmune thyroid disorders. Individuals often dismiss early muscle weakness as deconditioning or aging, but in autoimmune disease, it worsens steadily over time. 12. Swollen lymph nodes or enlarged glands. Lymph nodes swell when the immune system is persistently active. Autoimmune diseases keep the immune system in a long-term state of alert, which can cause lymph nodes in the neck, armpits, or groin to become enlarged or tender. Unlike infection-related swelling, autoimmune swelling may persist for weeks or return frequently. Lupus, Sjogren's syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, and mixed connective tissue disorders often present with swollen glands. Chronic lymph node enlargement without infection is a sign that the immune system is fighting something internally. 13. Hormonal imbalances and reproductive irregularities. Autoimmune diseases frequently target endocrine glands such as the thyroid, ovaries, pancreas, and adrenal glands. When these glands become inflamed, hormonal production becomes disrupted. This can lead to irregular menstrual cycles, severe PMS-like symptoms, infertility, early menopause, or unusual bleeding patterns. Women with autoimmune thyroid disease often experience menstrual irregularity due to altered metabolism and hormone signaling. Autoimmune ovarian failure can cause fertility issues and hormone imbalance even at a young age. These symptoms are often mistaken for hormonal change or stress, but may reflect deeper autoimmune disruption. 14. Chronic dry eyes, dry mouth, or mucosal dryness. Persistent dryness in the eyes, mouth, nose, or other mucous membranes is a hallmark of autoimmune conditions such as Sjogren's syndrome. The immune system targets the moisture-producing glands, reducing tear and saliva production. Individuals may experience difficulty swallowing dry food, burning sensations in the eyes, frequent mouth infections, or dental issues due to lack of saliva. This dryness can also affect the skin, throat, and respiratory tract. Because dryness is often attributed to dehydration, weather, or medication, many people overlook this early sign of autoimmunity. 15. Sensitivity to cold, color changes in fingers, or poor circulation. Raynaud's phenomenon is a circulatory issue commonly associated with autoimmune diseases, especially lupus, scleroderma, and mixed connective tissue disorders. When exposed to cold or stress, blood vessels in the fingers and toes constrict excessively, turning the skin white, then blue, then red as circulation returns. This color change can be painful or accompanied by numbness. Raynaud's reflects underlying inflammation and vascular dysfunction. It may precede a full autoimmune diagnosis by years, making it an important early warning sign. Autoimmune diseases rarely begin with obvious symptoms. They begin subtly with fatigue, rashes, digestive issues, joint stiffness, or neurological sensations. These early warnings are the body's signals that inflammation is building beneath the surface. Ignoring these signs can allow autoimmune disease to progress into serious, irreversible organ damage. Listening to your body early and seeking proper medical evaluation can prevent long-term complications and improve quality of life. Autoimmune diseases whisper before they scream. Recognizing these whispers early may save your health, your organs, and your future.